The Lost Diaries of Arthur Morgan. Entry the first. Bird thoughts. They say free as a bird, but I paid a purty penny for damn near every bird I ever purchased. I gotta get a better bird guy. Oh, now I wonder what song he thought I was whistling. Some kind of deer song, one figures, his interest being so avid. Sure, a symphony of snuffles and bucolic contemplations, the music of the herbivore. Quite beautiful in its way. Ho! Would you look at that? I shot his eye clean out. Goddamn. Oh, now I've got a bunch of eye gunk on my boot. Your aqueous humors and so forth. And these was new boots, too. It is a bumpy road we ride, my friends. I wonder further if birds get jealous of us holding things the way we get jealous of them flying. One might posit that they poop on our coaches and statuaries on account of being pissed off about us lording it over them all the time, holding things. Or should I say, lording it under them. Wordplay. Birdplay. See, now what I'd have is one wing and one hand. That way I can still hold stuff and probably fly pretty good if I flap hard enough. As a crow flies. As a crow flies, they say. Fuck does that mean? Near as I can tell, a crow flies every which way like all birds. I mean, how else would they get places? You can get to all the places just flying in a straight line, not unless the universe itself is some kind of two-dimensional line segment, in which case I have been grossly misinformed. I wonder why sometimes when I just pluck a bird's feathers, their meat still appears in my pack. Then again, the laws of physics always was a mystery to one such as me. Gotta remember to ask my bird guy. Good God, this man's face is a walking nightmare. Sure, like some forgotten moonscape untouched by God's love evermore. Can he tell I'm repulsed by him? Does he know? Alright, hold it together, Arthur. You just keep smiling and selling animal parts. Oh, fuck. Oh, God, I'm gonna do it. Fuck, I'm gonna do it. No. I'm not gonna do it. I just don't have it in me. Trial number 78. Still could not shoot on a horse. What does it mean? What's the difference between old Clopsy here and the literal thousands of animals I skin whenever it suits me? I dang near fricasseed a whole herd of them bison with Molotov cocktails. And that was just for a hat. Wait a minute. Why do I know the term Molotov cocktail? Has that phrase even made it to the U.S. yet, or did I just coin it? What year is it? Damn, this is good peyote. What do you suppose the odds are that he's called herons on account of they got hair on them? Oh, no, wait, those is feathers. God, that butcher guy's face was disgusting. Now, I always forget this part. Do I cut the bowels out or just leave them in there? Do people eat bowel? Huh. I just had to clear my throat in my own head. This is fucking weird. They say birds is the eyes of Odin, on account of he fed him his eyes so he could be all-seeing. Read that on a saloon placemat. Maybe it were wolves. Anywho, I always wondered who that Odin feller was. Probably some kind of mental defective, I imagine, feeding his eyes to birds and whatnot. But in the end, it takes all kinds, even malcontents with delusions of omniscience via avian ingestion. Sure, and here we are, us creatures of the dust and the mud, so they say, scrabbling around looking for faith and meaning. and yet blinded to the miracles what takes place in front of us every day, thanks to the immutable laws of nature. Your stars, your birds, your modern-day vaudeville entertainment, upon which society will never improve, I'm sure. So, you're looking down on me right now, old Odin, peeking out from some titpecker's butthole. Let me just say, by my reckoning, if a bird can fly, pert near anything's possible. And I'll tell you, that gives this old outlaw some hope, even in the darkest of her.